Is Philips a good TV to buy? Philips TVs can be a good option depending on your preferences and what you're looking for in a TV. They are known for offering solid performance, reliable picture quality, and user-friendly smart features at competitive prices. Philips excels in areas like design, ease of use, and picture technology, especially with their Ambilight feature, which sets them apart from many other brands. However, compared to some top competitors like Samsung, LG, and Sony, Philips may not always have the same level of innovation in smart features or app availability. Picture quality. Philips TVs generally offer good picture quality, especially in their higher-end models like OLED and LED. The brand's LED TVs provide sharp resolution, accurate colors, and decent contrast, making them great for everyday viewing. Additionally, Philips' OLED models are known for offering superior black levels, contrast, and vivid colors, making them an excellent choice for those who want high-end picture quality. The brand also incorporates advanced picture processing technologies, such as HDR, high dynamic range, and Dolby Vision, to enhance the viewing experience. Ambilight Technology. One of the unique features of Philips TVs is their Ambilight technology. This system uses LEDs around the edges of the TV screen to project light onto the wall behind it, creating an immersive viewing experience. Ambilight helps to improve the overall ambiance of the room and enhances the picture quality by making it feel larger and more engaging. This feature is especially popular among users who want a more cinematic experience at home, as it adds a level of depth and dynamism to the viewing. Smart features and usability. Philips smart TVs typically use the SAFI operating system, which is simple and easy to navigate, allowing users to access streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video. However, it may not offer as many apps or advanced smart features as other operating systems like Android TV, Tizen, or WebOS. Some higher-end Philips models come with Android TV, which provides a more expansive app selection, Google Assistant integration, and features like Google Cast, offering a more feature-rich, smart experience. Overall, Philips TVs are suitable for users who prioritize ease of use and access to popular streaming services. In conclusion, Philips is a good TV brand to consider, especially for users who value picture quality, design, and unique features like Ambilight. While their smart features may not be as extensive as some other brands, they offer competitive pricing and solid performance. If you're looking for a TV that combines great visuals with an immersive experience, Philips is definitely worth considering.